and grub, ayy, pull up and grub, ayy, let me hear you, pull up and grub, ayy, pull up and grub, ayy, let me hear you, pull up and grub, ayy, pull up and grub, ayy.
What's up, Houston, Texas? How y'all feeling today? We're gonna be starting at Mico'S Hot Chicken, man, right here in Houston, Texas. Pull up and grub, family. Hope it's good. I've been hearing a lot of things about it. Y'all know, man, I love the hot chicken, the Nashville hot chicken sandwiches. So that's what they got today, man. If y'all ready to indulge to some fire food right here in Houston, Texas, follow me. Let's get it. I was about to order this food. See what's hitting for. Bow, 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 bow. Oh, damn, I think you ordered at the damn kiosk. Oh, I don't even got to order with nobody. Here's a menu. We're going to get that hot. YouTube, we are back. Pull up and grub, family. We back with another food review. Today, we're going to be reviewing Mico'S Hot Chicken here in Houston, Texas. I got the hot chicken along with the waffle fries. Boom, here go the waffle fries. Y'all see what them things are here for. Let's see. Waffle fries looking real, you know what I'm saying? Good waffle fries. Nice crunch. Tastes real good. All right, but the main thing we came to see today is this hot chicken sandwich. Ooh, we got the sauce. Y'all see the sauce is already coming out. Okay. Okay, so this is different. I see the sandwich. All right, so we got the sandwich right here. We did get hot. It's hottest spice. So the sandwich comes with sandwich comes with coleslaw, their hot sauce on it, their hot, whatever hot sauce they got. And yeah, of course, this is the piece that we got to bite right here. It's the piece right there. That's the one.
God damn.
Okay. God damn! So you must go. Dude warned me. He said they're hot as hot. It's hot as fuck. Oh, fuck. Too hot. Too hot.
Oh,
man.
He needs some milk.
I done got too hot. Dude told me, he said, man, if you don't like hot, don't get hot. Me thinking I can handle it. Oh, this is hot as fuck. All right, here we go. Let's get another bite. All right. All right. Coleslaw, perfect. Pickles, perfect. The actual hot sauce is so damn hot. And it's everywhere all over the sandwich. Like, that's actually good, but it's just so damn hot. Like, y'all done seen me eat hot stuff before too. Y'all done seen me eat the atomic wings at Wingstop, but this ain't got no comparison. That ain't next level hot. Let's try it with some ranch. Woo! The bun is nice and soft, but it's just, this is just so damn hot. It don't make no sense. Oh. The ranch do something to it. Ranch make it more edible. Without the ranch, you ain't gonna be able to take this. You normal niggas ain't gonna be able to eat this. You people that don't eat hot stuff on the regular, y'all can't, don't get hot, get medium. That's a good sandwich though. I'm gonna get that 8.5. It's actually really good. It's just hot. If you can't take the heat, do not even don't even come close to the kitchen. All right, let's rate the fries. Fries definitely going ranch. I don't know what you say. Argue with your mom. Fries damn near perfect. They could be a little bit more hot. Fries is perfect. Fries, I'm gonna get them an 8. Those good fries right there. Woo! My mouth is hot, boy. Y'all see I do all this with no drink. I'm big dog. I don't need no drink. I'm big dog. I don't need no drink. While I drink the worst water ever created, this is all they had. Okay. All right. Next. You know I gotta get dessert, and they have banana pudding. We're gonna get a little taste of their banana pudding. See what it's hitting for. That's some good banana pudding. No cap. There ain't no actual bananas in it, but it's banana flavor. You know, some people actually put bananas in it, but this. I kind of wish there was bananas in it. But it's good though. It's a good 8. That's real good. I like that. All in all, is this place worth it? Definitely worth it. That should pull up. Go get some food. I got the sandwich, I got the fries, and I got the banana pudding, and that came to $23. Well, guess that's not too bad. If y'all want to see more videos like this, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and comment if you ever been to this restaurant before. We're here in Houston, Texas. Mico'S Hot Chicken, certified banger. Let's get it.